Hi everybody, so today let's talk about how to use WhatsApp screen share on video call. So to use WhatsApp screen share on a video call, head to your WhatsApp app and then select the contact you want to call and then tap the video call icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now once the call is connected, remember that the other person must answer for the screen sharing option to appear. Now once the call is connected, tap your screen to make the call controls appear at the bottom or top of your screen. Then tap the share screen icon, which is a person with a screen behind them. Now a privacy prompt will appear indicating that WhatsApp will start recording or casting your screen. Confirm by tapping continue and then start now. Now to start sharing, everything on your screen will now be shared with the person on the call. You can leave WhatsApp, open other applications or browse your photos and the other person will see it in real time. Now to stop sharing, when you're done, return to your WhatsApp video call screen and tap stop sharing. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video helped you. See you in my next one.